Do you know your birthday in Japanese? Or if somebody says their birthday in Japanese, do you know how to understand that? Video will learn how to talk about months and dates in Japanese, including the tricky ones. By the end, you will be able to read and say any date like a native. For example, I was born on April 1st, 2024. Watashi wa 2024年7月1日に生まれました. Let's learn. To understand this video, you should be able to read and write numbers in Japanese. Japanese dates follow a year, month, day structure. So the year is followed by nen, month is followed by gatsu, and day is followed by nichi. Let's learn the months. Months in Japanese are pretty simple. Just take the number and add gatsu, which means month. But there are a few exceptions you'll need to remember. First, January, Ichigatsu, February, Nigatsu, March, Sangatsu, April is not Yongatsu, it's Shigatsu, May, Gogatsu, June, Rokugatsu, July, it's not Nanagatsu, it's Shichigatsu, August, Hachigatsu, September, it's not Kyugatsu, it's Kugatsu, October is Jugatsu, November, Juichigatsu, December, Junigatsu. Easy, right? So if you want to say my birthday is in July, you can say Tanjobi wa Shichigatsu desu. Let me know your birthday in Japanese in the comments below. Now let's learn the dates. Most are just number plus nichi, but some dates have special readings that you must memorize. The first 10 dates have special readings. First, Suitachi. Second, Futsuka. Third, Mika. Fourth, Yokka. Fifth, Itsuka. Sixth, Muika. Seventh, Nanoka. Eighth, Yoka. Ninth, Kokonoka. 10th, Toka. The remaining dates are number plus nichi. For example, 11th you can say Juichi Nichi, 12th you can say Junichi, Juni Nichi. Remember number 14th, the date 14th has a special reading Juyokka, has a special reading Juyokka. Some other special readings include 20th, which we say Hatsuka, or 24th, which is Nijuyoka. All other readings follow the same number plus nichi pattern. Now let's put it all together. In Japanese, the order of the date is always year, month, and day. So if you want to say 6th September 2025, you can say Nizen Nijugo Nen Kugatsu Muika. Let's take one more example. 25th December 1999. Sen Kyuhyaku Kyujukyu Nen Junigatsu Nijugo Nichi. It might look difficult, but once you know the numbers in Japanese, it gets very simple. Okay, now let's practice. Write your answers in the comments below. Did you get it right? Nizen Nijuyu nen Shigatsu suitachi. Minasan otsukaresama deshita. Great job! Now you can read and write any month or date in Japanese. We'll learn about days of the week, so you can talk about the full calendar like a native. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your birthday in Japanese in the comments below. Mata ne!